All right, 6 pounds of our canned green beans drained. Now I have my baby potatoes washed and ready to go in our crock pot with our green beans. Yummy. Now I have a beef kielbasa sausage, and we're gonna go ahead and cut our sausage into small pieces into our crock pot with our green beans and our potatoes. This is such an easy and delicious dinner in the crock pot that everyone will love. Now I use the canned green beans, but you can use fresh, you can use frozen, you can use whatever you like. And those potatoes are just gonna go beautifully with the sausage and the green beans. So let's go ahead and get these all chopped up into small coins so that we can get this cooking. Yummy. It smells so delicious.
Yum.
And then I do have a second one that I'm just gonna cut up real quick. All right, we're almost done cutting up that second one. Oh, delicious. Now I have here some slivered onions. This is about 1 onion that we're gonna put in there. Now, if you don't like onions, you can skip this, but you know I love the onions. Ooh, and I did buy them pre-cut because I hate crying, okay? Don't judge me. Now I have my minced garlic. You can use fresh if you prefer, but I love the convenience of the minced. And we're gonna add a few scoops of that. About 2 tablespoons should be perfect for the amount of food we're cooking. Now for seasoning, we're gonna start off with some red pepper flakes, and we're gonna add a generous amount to make sure that everything gets a little bit of that kick from the red pepper. I love using red pepper for this recipe because it really just ties everything together with that sausage, the green beans, and those potatoes. I know it seems like I'm seasoning it too much, but I'm not, I promise you. You wanna make sure that you have that flavor in there, so do not skimp on the red peppers. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, freshly grated in there. Add as much or as little as you like, but this is an 8 quarts crock pot, so we really need to make sure that we season everything heavy. So this is my pepper that we're gonna freshly grate in there, and this one's a little bit tougher to get out, but we wanna make sure that we add a lot of pepper because it's gonna complement all of those flavors. We wanna make sure we can see that pepper on there. All right, I think that is ready. So I have my big spoon here, and it is time to give this a mix. Be extra careful, make sure nothing pops out of the crock pot, but we wanna make sure that everything gets coated in the seasoning and that garlic, and it just gets well combined together. Okay, that looks perfectly mixed. You can see all that red pepper, the green beans. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our lid, and this baby is gonna go on high. All right, it's been 4 hours on high. Let's go ahead and turn this off and check out our dinner. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, let's give it a quick little stir so you can see all that delicious. Oh, the potato is falling apart, so that's how you know they're perfectly cooked. And the potatoes are the main reason why we cook it for 4 hours, but everything just gets better in the slow cooker, so I am excited. Look at all that garlic and red pepper flakes. Cannot wait to give this a try. Whew, I need some more potatoes. Looks so good. The onions are perfectly cooked. All right, let's check out this potato. Ooh, cuts with a fork. That's what we were looking for. All right. It's gonna be really hot.
Is it good?
That is so tasty. Oh my goodness. You guys are gonna love this.